Come here. Don't be afraid. His prison is nothing now that he is here. Do you believe that? In all that he said to those thousands of people, there was something just for you, for what you are going through, something that stuck with you. Don't be anxious.
And which of you, by being anxious, can add a single hour to his span of life? But seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness.
So if you want to help me, Andrew, if you want to help me, listen to him. Go home